I'm curious, what is your biggest takeaway as you reflect back on 2023?
Less is more.
Talk about that a little bit more.
Well, less is
All right. I set myself up for that one. That's totally fair.
in terms of threes, thinking in terms of threes. So for years now, and I've coached other people on this too, I've always mapped out my top three for tomorrow. So when I usually start my day somewhere between 7 and 7:30, most days, I'm already working on kind of what's most important, usually for a customer or for the team or like a priority for the company. And over the last couple of years, I've just thought about how successful that's been. How can I build on success? And then also just reflecting on the fact that when there has been a big list of stuff that's like super exciting and all this stuff that I want to do, we don't get it all done. And so just making the first thing first, I guess, to say the same thing a little bit differently, but just thinking in terms of threes. Like I got lots of input from the team, the board, customers saying, what are the problems? Synthesizing those things to say, well, what are the top 7? And then even, even meditating on what are the top 3, and then, sharing that and getting feedback on the top 3, more synthesis. And then breaking that into, well, then what are the outcomes, top 3 outcomes to address this? And then what are the top 3 goals going into 2024, going into next year? And just always breaking things down on like 3 things that we're going to do about it. So just thinking in terms of threes, breaking stuff down, and then tapping into the team's strengths to go after those things.